morning students, hope all of you well. In this video we are going to discuss very important topic. First topic now, religion in early Vedic age. Student, mainly in this video we are about Vedic age. Okay, and Vedic age or so-called Vedic civilization is very important for the Indian subcontinent and Indian civilization and Indian history. Okay, first of all, after the decline of Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization is very important because in Vedic civilization we find various type of important aspects, those who got related till now with modern India. Okay, so student, this is very important aspect. And Aryans. Okay, first of all, Vedic age. Vedic age. Okay, Vedic age divided into two sections. Okay, first of all, early Vedic age and later Vedic age. Duration. Early Vedic age duration 1500 BC to 1000 BC. Okay, and later Vedic age duration 1000 BC to 500. Some people say 500 BC or 6 BC. Okay, this is the duration of Vedic age. First, Vedic age divided into two sections: early Vedic age, later Vedic age. Early Vedic age duration 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and later Vedic age duration 1000 BC to 500 BC or 6th century BC. Okay, although this is controversial, this means there is various type of information about this duration, but more or less most of the historians and scholars of history, they think this is right scale. Okay, so Vedic age divided into two sections: early Vedic age and later Vedic age, and duration this and duration this. Now in this video we are going to discuss the religion. Okay, religion of early Aryans. First of all, Vedic age related with Aryans. Okay, another video we are going to get another video where we are discuss about the Aryans. But in this video we are just discuss about the early Aryans and their religion. Okay, so mainly we focus in religion section. Mainly the early Aryans worship the various forces of the nature as they wanted to protection from natural disaster and calamities, and that's why it is sacred to the natural disaster and nature. Okay, the god of the early Vedas period mostly connected with nature. That means early Aryans, those who came to India, Indo-Aryans, they are the worshipper of nature because they are afraid of nature. That's why they worship nature and protection and demanding protection. Now we are going to discuss and we are going to discuss some important early gods. Okay, some important early gods are like Indra. Okay, Indra. Okay, Indra, the warrior god and also the god of storm and rain. Varun. Indra, second Varun. Varun was the god of water, Agni. All of you know what is the definition of Agni. Agni, the fire, the Vayu. God of wind. Okay, God of wind, Surya. God of sun. Okay, these are some important male god of early. These are some important male god of early Vedic age. Now we are going to discuss some also related goddess like Aditi. Aditi, the mother of goddess. Okay. Usha, the goddess of dawn. Ratri. Another important goddess that sprite of night. Okay. And another important goddess of early Vedic age. So these are some god and these are some goddess. Okay. And look, all god and goddess related with nature. Okay. So this is very clear for us that early Vedic age, the Aryans are the worshipper of nature. Okay. And another very important information that there was no temple or image of worship. Look, nowadays temple is the symbol, temple and image. Okay. Well, temple and image is the symbol of, yes, obviously temple is the home of God. Some people think that, but temple and image both are the symbol of God. Okay. Prayers were changed. Prayers of change. I mean to say that each god had each prayer. But in those days, there was no temple and image. Okay. I mean to say that nowadays temple and image were important for the religion. But in early Vedic period, there was no temple, no Vedic period. Okay. And fire was very important in those days because fire was very important in those days because yajna were performed to please the god and goddess. That means nowadays yajna or yajna. Performing yajna. Okay, performing yajna is very important for religious purpose. That's why fire is very important. So students, look, these are some important god and goddess and these are some ritualistic. But why they are, first of all, already we have discussed why they are performing religious duties. Already we have discussed about their thinking nature as a god and goddess. Okay. Goddess, apart from this, to protect cattle for becoming king and for children, especially for son. Okay, these are some their prayers. Okay, protecting their cattle, becoming king. Okay, for son. Okay, child son. They are they are trying to impress God and goddess. Okay, this is the religious matter of early Vedic age. So students, hope all of you understand this matter from this video, and if you have any question then you can ask me. But finally, I sum up this matter that early Vedic period, Aryans are the worshipper of nature. They afraid of nature. That's why they always wanted to worshipping the nature. And these are some god and these are some goddess. Those who are related with nature. Clear? So student, this video is related with early Vedic religion practice. Thank you.